Jurisprudence MCQ questions. Question number 1. Who describe jurisprudence as the science of law? A. Holland, B. Salmond, C. Roscoe, D. Austin. Answer: Roscoe. Question 2. Who introduced the concept of pure theory of law? A. Holland, B. Salmond, C. Austin, D. Hans Kelsen. Answer: Hans Kelsen. Third question. Who defined jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law? A. Holland, B. Salmond, C. Allen, D. Austin. Answer: Holland. Fourth question. Who was the founder of analytical school of law? A. Salmond, B. Hans Kelsen, C. Austin, D. Bentham. Answer: Austin. Fifth question. Who was the founder of historical school of law? A. Bentham, B. Savigny, C. Harold Lesky, D. Austin. Answer: Savigny. Question 6. Law is an order of human behavior. This definition of law is given by A. Bentham, B. Hart, C. Hans Kelsen, D. Harold Lesky. Answer: Hans Kelsen. Question 7. The doctrine of social engineering was propounded by A. Roscoe, B. Savigny, C. Austin, D. Bentham. Answer: Roscoe. Eighth question. Jurisprudence is concerned primarily with the effects of law upon society and only to a lesser extent with questions about the social determination of law. Who said it? A. Roscoe, B. Eugene Ehrlich, C. Emile Durkheim, D. Max Weber. Answer: Roscoe. Question 9. Which one of the following jurists emphasized that we cannot understand what a thing is unless we study what it does? A. Salmond, B. Roscoe, C. Kelsen, D. Austin. Answer: Salmond. Question 10. Who defines ownership as plenary control over an object? A. Austin, B. Salmond, C. Holland, D. Savigny. Answer: Holland. Question 11. Case law is gold in the mine a few grains of precious metal to the tons of useless matter, while the statute law is coin of the state which is ready for immediate use. Who gave this statement? A. Bentham, B. Salmond, C. Kelsen, D. Holland. Answer: Salmond. 12th question. Law is the guarantee of the conditions of life of society, assured by the state's power of constraint. Who said it? A. Dugate, B. Hearing, C. Savigny, D. Ehrlich. Answer: 12. Hearing. Question 13. According to Salmond, the correlative of liberty is A. Duty, B. No rights, C. Subjection, D. Disabilities. Answer: no right. Question 14. Bentham's definition of law is imperative in nature because A. Law is an assembling of signs, B. Law is declaration of volition conceived or adopted by sovereign in a state, C. Because it is adopted by non-sovereign state, D. A and B both. Answer: A and B both. Question 15. The term legal theory has been first time used by A. Llewellyn, B. Hearing, C. Salmond, D. W. Friedman. Answer: W. Friedman. Question 16. Bracket theory of corporate personality is also known as A. Concession theory, B. Symbolist theory, C. Fiction theory, D. Will theory. Answer: Symbolist theory. Question 17. Who separated jurisprudence from religion? A. Kant, B. Hugo Grotius, C. Salmond, D. Jethro Brown. Answer: Hugo Grotius. Question 18. Which one of the following one can have corporeal ownership? A. A right, B. Trademark, C. Movable property, D. A debt. Answer movable property. Question 19. Sovereignty must be determinate. It is essential, is indivisible, and is unlimited and illimitable. Who conceived this about the sovereignty? A. Hobbes, B. Austin, C. Jean Bodin, D. Plato. Answer Austin. Question 20. Who propounded the doctrine of moral reasoning? A. Kohlberg, B. Pound, C. H.L.A. Hart, D. Kant. Answer Kohlberg. Question 21. Which of the following avoid any dogmatic formulation and concentrate on the decisions given by law courts? A. Realist school, B. Analytical school, C. Philosophical school, D. Sociological school. Answer Realist school. Question 22. Law is without doubt a remedy for greater evil. Yet it brings with it evils of its own. Who said it? A. Blackstone, B. Friedman, C. Salmond, D. Hobbes. Answer Salmond. Question 23. Pure theory of law is an exercise in logic and not life. This observation was made by A. Pound, B. Savigny, C. Mine, D. Harold Lesky. Answer Harold Lesky. Question 24. Law is derived from social facts and not dependent on state authority but on social compulsion. Who said this? A. Putcha, B. Ehrlich, C. Friedman, D. Pound. Answer Ehrlich. Question 25. A legal person is any subject matter other than a human being to which law attributes personality. Who said these words? A. Savigny, B. Bentham, C. Austin, D. Salmond. Salmond. Question 26. The purpose theory is based on the assumption that person is applicable only to human beings. They alone can be the subjects of rural relations. Who developed this theory of brains in England? A. Barker, B. Duguid, C. Salmond, D. Hoffman. Answer Barker. Question 27. Ownership in its comprehensive signification denotes the relation between a person and any right that is vested in him. That which a man owns in this sense is in all cases a right. Who is the exponent of this theory? A. Mistay, B. Maitland, C. Salmond, D. Fuller. Answer Salmond. Question 28. Legal rights are institutional rights to decisions in courts. Institutions about justice presuppose a fundamental rights, namely the right to equality, which I call the right to equal concern and respect. Who propounded this theory in relation to natural rights? A. Dworkin, B. Fuller, C. Jerome Hall, D. Professor Hart. Answer Dworkin. Question 29. According to which school, the purpose of jurisprudence is to analyze and dissect the law of the land as it exists today? A. Analytical jurisprudence, B. Historical jurisprudence, C. Sociological jurisprudence, D. Philosophical jurisprudence. Answer Analytical jurisprudence. Question 30. According to whose theory, law is not universal in its nature, like language, it varies with the people and age? A. Bentham's theory, B. Austin's theory, C. Savigny's theory, D. Montesquieu's theory. Answer Savigny's theory. Question 31. Constitutional law is concerned with the organization and functions of government at rest, while administrative law is concerned with that organization and those functions in motion. This statement was given by A. Austin, B. Salmond, C. M.P. Jain, D. None of the above. Answer 31. None of the above. Question 32. Corporate personality is a mere procedural form which is used to work out a convenient way for immediate purpose. It was stated by A. Holland, B. Austin, C. Stark, D. Hornfield. Answer Hornfield. Question 33. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Possession is a 9 point of law. B. Possession is an evidence of ownership. C. Possession is protected till someone else provided a better title in himself. D. possession once lost cannot be regained. Answer: possession once lost cannot be regained. Question 34. Ownership to patents, copyright and trademarks and the right to an easement are called: A. Incorporeal ownership, B. Corporeal ownership, C. Equitable ownership, D. Contingent ownership. Answer: incorporeal ownership. Question 35. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Ownership can be legal and vested ownership. 2. Ownership can be legal and equitable ownership. 3. Ownership can be trust and beneficial ownership. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Codes: A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 2 and 3. Answer 35, D. 2 and 3. 2 is ownership can be legal and equitable ownership. 3. Ownership can be trust and beneficial ownership. Question 36. Which of the following combinations are correct? Theory of corporate personality. Profounder of theory. 1. Realist, Geerk. 2. Symbolist, Savigny. 3. Fiction, Earing. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3. B. 1, 3. C. 2, 3. D. 1 alone. Answer 36, D. 1 alone. That is realist, Geerk. Question 37. Which of the following duties have been included by Austin in the category of absolute duties? 1. Duties owed to persons indefinitely. 2. Self-regarding duties. 3. Duties owed to the sovereign. 4. Duties owed to the parents. Select the correct answer by using the codes given below. Codes: A. 1, 3, 4, B. 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 4, D. 1, 2, 3. Answer 37, D. 1, 2, 3. Question 38. Right in re aliena means a right over A. his own property, B. a property of someone else, C. a property situated in a foreign country, D. a property situated in one's own country. Answer: a property of someone else. Question 39. Positive law is called positive because it is A. made as a result of divine providence, B. made as a result of collective effort, C. made by a person in authority, D. followed by everyone. Answer: made by a person in authority. Question 40. Roscoe propounded the theory of social engineering, which means A. the greatest happiness to greatest number of people, B. balancing of competing interests in society, C. changes in the concepts of and function of the state, D. that law has its source in the general consciousness. Answer 40. Balancing of competing interests in society. Question 41. Who among the following is considered an exponent of utilitarianism? A. Hobbes, B. Bentham, C. David Flume, D. Grotius. Answer 41. Bentham. Question 42. One of the important elements in the concept of possession is possessions, which means A. direct constant with the object, B. effective control of the object, C. an intention of hold the object as owner, D. an intention on the part of the possessor to exclude any interference by others. Answer 42. Effective control of the object. Question 43. Ownership is a right indefinite in point of user, unrestricted in point of disposition, and unlimited in point of duration over a determinate thing. This definition of ownership has been given by A. Salmond, B. Allen, D. Patton, D. Austin. Answer 43. Austin. Question 44. Which one of the following statements is correct? A. Only corpus possession is required for valid possession. B. Only animus domini is required for valid. C. Both corpus possession is and animus domini are required for valid possession. D. Neither corpus possession is nor animus domini is required for valid possession. Answer 44. Neither corpus possession is nor animus domini is required for valid possession. Question 45. Which one of the following statements is true? A. The transfer of possession is more technical than the transfer of ownership. B. The right of possession is superior to that of ownership. C. The right of possession involves the right to own a property. The animus and corpus are necessary for acquisitions of possession. Answer 45. Animus and corpus are necessary for acquisitions of possession. Question 46. Which one of the following statements is a ownership has nothing to do with possession? B. Ownership and the right of possession are inseparable. C. Ownership does not involve any right of enjoyment. D. Ownership has nothing to do with the right of disposition. Answer 46. Ownership and the right of possession are inseparable. Question 47. According to the declaratory theory of jurisprudence, the judges only declare the law and they do not make any law. The supporters of this theory are A. Bacon and Daisy, B. Gray and Salmond, C. Koch and Blackstone, D. Duguid and Pound. Answer 47. Koch and Blackstone. Question 48. According to the jurist of analytical school, A. Custom becomes law after its recognition by the sovereign. B. Custom never becomes law. C. Custom is a law from the very inception of it. D. Customs are only positive morality even after recognition. Answer 48. Custom becomes law after its recognition by the sovereign. Question 49. The importance of custom over other sources of law was stressed by the jurist of the A. Analytical school, B. Historical school, C. Natural law school, D. None of the above. Answer 49. Historical school. Question 50. Which among the following divided the sources of law into formal sources and material sources? A. Allen, B. Keaton, C. Gray, D. Salmond. Answer 50. Salmond.